how are you?
Hi Pallavi, I'm good.
Hi, how are you?
First, I want to make sure the video and audio is perfectly fine because I've
Yes,
had.
I can hear you guys. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you very clearly.
Hey,
So I
everyone
hope
can, yeah.
everyone else
If
also can
anybody
hear me.
has any issues,
Yes,
I'll have to
please
call the
right
IT
now.
department.
Yes, but I can hear you very clearly. I'm so glad you're here to chat with us. And
Yes,
I heard you're back home with your family, all safe and sound, I hope.
absolutely. Yes, it's such a pleasure being back home after 2.5
Amazing.
months of hardcore labor.
Yeah, I heard you had a quite a tough time getting back home because you were here in Bombay and now you're in Delhi. But how was your first flight experience in times of a pandemic?
Yeah, it was quite an experience, it felt like मैं outer space जा रहा हूँ, all these people, especially the cabin crew, they were like behaving as if we were all untouchables, they were like literally covered from head to toe. They didn't go beyond the doors where we enter, and they were just pointing us, go and stay away, stay away. I mean, I understand. I mean, they were doing their duty, but it was really weird. I mean, seeing all these PP kits, people wearing these kits and walking as if they're walking on inside a spacecraft, and yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure there are so many people there saying we love you, Namit.
Hey,
Watching, oh, there are so many people watching Sanjeevani on Hotstar currently and loving
yes,
Siddhartha. So yes,
good
love from
job.
Tamil Nadu, love from Kerala. So many people joining in from everywhere. So
That's
thank you for
awesome.
joining
So
in. Guys.
I think there's a Malayalam version of Sanjeevani on air at the
Right.
moment. I think
Uh-huh.
मैंने
Yeah,
कहीं
yeah,
देखा था,
I'm
but
sure. I'm sure the show got dubbed and
yeah,
telecasted
yeah,
in like various languages. So I guess a lot
yeah,
of people like that are also getting to see you. And
correct.
clearly, all your fans are here. There are a lot of fan clubs that have joined in.
Yeah. Hey everyone.
How, yeah, how was your initial period of lockdown when the lockdown actually started in Mumbai? How did you like manage from going to being really, really busy to just sitting at home?
In fact, you know what? Somehow the lockdown when it started, I had basically, I think just over a week uh, after after we finished shooting. So I mean, I had so many plans. कि भाई ये करना है, I'm going to take some time off, get back into shape, then travel. First go home, then travel. Everything went for a toss. But having said that, uh, it wasn't that I was doing nothing because the work just increased many folds. Like now, suddenly I had to do everything because now no help at home, and
Right,
figuring all that out and also taking care of my health because I had some health issues initially with my lower
right.
back. So I mean, I mean, it was a great learning. I mean, it just taught me so much about being self-sustained in every possible way, taking care of yourself in every sphere of your life, not just काम करना है और XYZ, but घर का काम भी मेरा ही काम है. I mean,
Yeah,
we've been fortunate all our lives to have help,
yeah,
but it's
that's
also important to know because I think it also made me realize that there are so many things in my house and I like them a certain way, but I never used to say it because I never really attempted to do it.
right,
So,
right.
so I mean, yeah,
So,
it's all a learning. And then, yeah, I decided to not get bogged down and do things that I've been wanting to do. So I have a lot of editing stuff that I've been doing, videos from my past travels, doing a bit of Spanish online, which has
oh
gone pretty
wow.
well. अभी थोड़ा break हो गया है 2-3 दिन से, but I've been consistent. I had a consistency streak of 62 days. I had some medals for that from that app, but
That's
yeah,
amazing.
it's been good. It's been good.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hmm.
I want to ask you, like, so many people find it difficult these days just to like forget, working out or anything, but just to get off the bed and stay positive just in general because all of us are
Yeah,
at home and there's like a blurring of lines between like, acha, kaam kab khatam hoga or, when are we home because we're not going anywhere.
correct.
So, how did you manage to like stay positive, like just in general?
You know, I mean, I've only done a couple of shows on TV, but both the times while I was shooting, I used to just pray in my head, कि, I wish I have some free time. मुझे छुट्टी दे दो, please. I've fought with production कि मुझे 2 दिन चाहिए, 2 दिन चाहिए, सिर्फ 2 दिन चाहिए, because it's not that easy to get those days off. And in
Right.
my head, I would always be like, yeah, okay, fine. You know, it's right now. And I know in the future there will be time when there will be no work, and I can do whatever I want to do. So that used to be my self-talk. And
Right.
when this happened, deep down, I was happy. कि यार मैं तो यही चाहता था.
हॉलीडे तो मिल गया.
Holiday, I mean, yeah, it was, yeah, I mean, it's basically time off, time to yourself, which we all tend to forget in our day-to-day lives as we are so busy with so many different things. कि करना ही है. I mean, even if there's no work, you're still going out and doing things, having meetings, XYZ. So here, at least you're at home. So my time, I was able to utilize it a bit more than always just thinking about it. So yeah, and
Yeah.
being positive. I mean, yeah, it's all about spending some time with your quality time. So I recommend to each and every person watching this and anyone who watches it later that to just like spend like 5 minutes with yourself, just in quiet time or like just breathing or, you can even do guided meditations. There are thousands of them online and there are many apps. So that really helps for you to get your thoughts in place and to really uh, compartmentalize how you want to go about your day uh,
Right.
during the lockdown.
Yeah. So there's one question that's come in asking you what's your favorite thing to do during quarantine?
Uh, Favorite thing? Uh,
Yeah.
well, I would say uh, one thing that I realized that I was enjoying a lot was that I didn't have to put an alarm,
Right.
but I wasn't doing it. So, uh, I mean, to be honest, I mean, I might sound like a very right answer, but मेरे को सब में मजे आता था, like it was not, I was enjoying everything, like, because at the end of the day, I kind of figured that करना तो मुझे ही है. There is no other way. So
Right.
you might as well have fun doing it. Uh,
Yeah. No
Having
help
said
anymore.
that, maybe sleep. Sleep when I wanted to. I would take an afternoon nap, sitting, doing nothing, reading something or listening to an audiobook. नींद आ गई
Right.
सो गया. Wake up and then do whatever. So yeah, that extra bit of freedom.
Okay, there's someone who's asking you for fitness tip if you have any.
Well, I'm not a fitness expert, but I've obviously been trying to get myself fit for many years. The thing that I would recommend to all is, of course, again, you've heard this, but um, eat the right things and eat at the right time, drink a lot of water, and do some physical activity every day. I mean, it can be anything. You don't have to be a professional person going to the gym and working out, and you can just go for a walk if you don't feel like it. Just do some stretching. I mean, there's so many things online available. Is again, that's something really good. I mean, of course, you have to be smart enough not to attempt which are things which are really tough because you will injure yourself. But start with the basics, and there's a lot
Just move around,
available.
just do
Yeah,
something. Yeah.
yeah, just be active. You know when you have actually done some physical activity. So break a sweat or like it all helps. I mean, you feel good about yourself as well,
Right.
chemically also.
There are so many people asking us about your website. Please ask him about details about his website. So many. Ishrat, there's Ravin,
Yes,
there's Anamika, so many people.
guys. Okay, so all I can say because this is something really big, and I've been working on it throughout the lockdown. You're all going to be very happy. The details will come out soon. I don't want to kind of spoil it, and it's going to be a proper launch. So just
Oh,
hang in there.
everyone's like, when is the launch? Chalo, please give
आएगा
us
आएगा
some.
सबको पता चलेगा क्या होने वाला है कब होने वाला है. It will all be given to you. Just hang in there.
Everyone's very excited for it, clearly.
Yeah, and I
And
think in my last live, I also got a little extra excited and मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा बोल दिया उसके बारे में, which I shouldn't have.
no, everyone likes you giving out information. Like there's something else that's come in. So what does your daily routine look like in
These
quarantine?
days,
Yeah.
अब तो मैं मतलब I'm in a very good space because I'm back home, so I don't have to think about cleaning or food or Um, anything else which has to do with the house or even grocery shopping for that matter, or veggies khatam ho gaya hai, pyaz nahi hai. So I'm actually doing a lot. I've been pretty busy. I've been writing some stuff. I've been editing stuff. I've been working on the website last minute. A lot of things are there. I do my workout in the evening, so it's either a yoga session or a Pilates or I go for a run outside. I mean, something or the other. I do an hour workout for sure. I've been doing a lot of interviews, a decent amount of interviews. Yeah, I also started beach mein nahi khel raha tha, but I brought my Xbox back to Delhi, so I've been playing a couple of games with my nephew, which I've gotten hooked up to. Uh, yeah, I mean, pretty much, that's about it. But yeah, I mean, I'm on the computer most of the time. That means I'm pretty much working on something. There's so much, and I have material from the last 10 years from my shoots that I've done,
Right.
and putting it all on the website and things like that, and editing stuff that I haven't edited earlier. So chalta rehta hai, kuch na kuch chalta rehta hai. I've been busy, and then families around, so that's an added bonus.
Amazing. But I hear you're a big fan of traveling and photography and stuff like that. So I want to ask you. I mean, since now everyone's out of lockdown and we can't really move anywhere. But what's the first place you'd want to visit once this is all normal?
Do you want an idealistic answer or practical
Sure.
answer?
I mean, right now everything is idealistic.
Well, I mean, I want to go back to the States and cover a lot more places that I haven't because I already have a visa, and I have some friends who've been inviting me
Right.
to do this road trip for the longest time. So that would be one thing. I mean, I would need a month at least for that.
Yeah.
Agar practically speaking, something that I've been thinking about and mulling over is probably going to the mountains. I mean, driving down because I think वो ही सबसे feasible होगा because if you're driving in your own car and you know where you're stopping or you take your own food and you find a place where you know it is properly sanitized and not too many people around. So I just have a good time in the mountains and be in nature and enjoy the thandi hawa.
That's amazing. Are you a mountain person?
I love the mountains. I love the beach. I love places which has both. So I mean, I'm a
Right.
nature person. I can be in the
Right.
jungle also.
That's amazing. So I want to ask you, during when you were staying in Bombay, did you try your hand in cooking? Because everyone's become a chef now.
Of course.
Literally.
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. Everything like that, like in Bombay, I was pretty much on video chat with my mom every day. She would call me up thrice, "Ke, when are you ready to cook now? Because I know you have no food at home." So every day, and I mean, luckily she had pretty much somewhat control of the kitchen sitting in Delhi because
Right,
I
right.
would show her, अच्छा ये है, ये बचा है, ये बना सकते हैं, ये मंगवा सकता हूँ. So
Right.
that ways, things were. I would I mean, I really impressed myself on few occasions, and the rest of them I was everything was edible. I mean, जो भी मैंने बनाया मैंने खाया है.
That's a win. That means it's
Yeah,
a
that's a
win.
win. Of course, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So I was a winner, but at the same time, few things I just stood out, and one of them was kadi chawal, which is my favorite. Like, मेरे पास दो तीन चार दिन पुरानी दही थी, so mom said make kadi chawal, and I was like, yeah, let's do it, and I made it. It came out so well that
That's
I don't know,
amazing.
like I don't think I'd ever had such good curry, and I've had curry everywhere I go, you know. So
That's
yeah, I
amazing.
mean.
Oh, there's someone who's asking, did you, after you came back home, did you start cooking for your family? Have you cooked anything for your family yet?
Not really. I mean, I had plans, but I've definitely made ice cream because that's one thing that I also was doing
Oh,
regularly
wow.
in vegan ice cream based. It was basically frozen bananas is your main ingredient, but it comes out so well, and it's so good and so healthy.
That's amazing. There's Sheetal who's asking you, sir, what is your next project? We can't wait to see you on screen again.
Well, I wish I knew the answer, but as of now, the best thing to do is just wait and watch and be patient because there's nothing really concrete that is happening. And I mean, I can't really take a call right now, but of course, I will inform each and every one of you and the website. Remember that is
He's working on his website, so don't worry,
so
guys. Something or other will be coming your way.
that is
Like
my current project.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, there are so many people who's asking you. We want cooking videos, sir.
No, my ice cream car, I will definitely make that because it's not very hard and in fact it's super
Yeah,
simple.
everyone's asking you for a recipe for the vegan ice cream that you just mentioned.
Done. अभी बताऊं?
हाँ बता दो चलो notebooks सब ले लो notebooks
Guys,
और pen.
be ready, huh? This is unbelievable and you will please don't tell anybody before you feed them and then you can tell them if you want. So you start
Yeah.
with frozen bananas. You can have two, three, as many depending on how many people are going to eat it. Take the frozen bananas. You add khajur. Ideally, put a couple of depend the size of the khajur. You put the dates in a glass of water, half a glass, matlab itna sa pani, and put it and let it like soak for half a day or whatever, so that the thing becomes soft and the water becomes sweet. Okay, then you take cocoa powder if you want to have chocolate flavored ice cream, and you take some nuts, whatever nuts you prefer, almond or walnut or whatever. I prefer almond, and put it all in a blender. Okay, if you want to make it a little, if you want a non-vegan option, you can add a bit of coconut milk. But if you want a completely vegan option, then you can have like a little, like it's just for making the consistency. You can put almond milk or cashew milk or whatever, and yeah, blend it. And within 30 seconds, you have thick frozen ice cream. And if you want to
Wow.
make it even more cold, add some ice cubes so it doesn't become melted. ज़्यादा मत डालना ice cube नहीं तो वो icy flavor आ जाएगा. But otherwise, it's super creamy.
That's amazing. Like wow, I didn't know it was so easy. Like
Yeah,
wow.
it's very
Yeah.
easy.
So guys, come back. This is going to be an IGTV, so y'all can come back and watch this anytime.
That's true. Yeah.
So
And
then,
then you
what
better
is
post it or like write to me and tell me how it was. I'll give you some
yeah,
more
for
flavors
sure.
and more tips.
Yeah, oh, people are
Almond
calling
butter
me Chef
and
Amit now.
peanut butter and almond butter also certain ingredients that I've tested and successfully made nice ice cream with. So
That's amazing. Oh, there's someone who's asking you another question. Would you prefer to come back in a web series or on a TV show?
I definitely would like to do a finite show. Could be on either platform or it could be a film. But yeah, I mean, I think that makes more sense to me because uh, you know the entire graph of the character, you know the exact graph of the storyline, and you stick to it, so you can work towards it. Uh, as opposed to being told to do something completely different on the next
Right.
day you go to work. So yeah, definitely a finite show.
Yeah.
कहीं पे भी हो
There's
सकता है
someone
वो.
there's someone who's asking you what was it like working with Surbhi in Sanjeevani?
Surbhi is amazing. Everybody knows that she is full of energy, uh, entertaining, and you know, center of all the action. So yeah, I mean, it's great to have people who have had more experience. At the same time, we are all individuals, and we all come with our own life's journey and lessons. So as co-actors we were pretty good, because we had our own pace of our growth, which was pretty organic, and that's how it should be. I mean, you don't have to fake to be somebody's best friend or XYZ
Right.
just because you're working as opposite each other. तो हमारा ऐसे बहुत ही naturally I think progression हुआ था towards till the end of the show, and I think that's how it should be.
Yeah. Something I want to ask you is initially you came into the industry as a model and then you
Yeah.
transitioned into acting. How did that transition happen? Like, was it like over a period of time or did you always think like you want to get into acting? Is that why you got into modeling? How did that happen?
So modeling was what I came to Bombay for, and I continued to do it successfully for many years. While I was doing it, I had many opportunities for films and auditions that I was giving. और बहुत आगे बढ़ी, कुछ होने वाली थी, कुछ हो ही नहीं, ऐसे ऐसे करते करते एंड में it never happened, and I ended up spending a lot of time as a model, and I reached a space where I realized that there is no more growth for me here in this industry. At least I've done everything there is for a male model to do. So that's when I also realized that if I want to really take acting seriously, I mean, in this whole process, I've done a couple of acting workshops and acting what do you call acting courses.
Workshops,
Yeah,
courses, yeah, right.
yeah, 3 महीने का एक किया था Barry John में. So I had a sense of, I had an idea of what it's going to be like, whether I'm going to like it or not. And but one thing that also kind of kept popping up was that I need to really kind of polish the skills because it's not something that comes naturally to me, and I've not done it, and I'm coming from a very different world. So I decided to take a back step from my modeling jobs and focus more on acting jobs. And in that period, I also did a bit of clowning. Did of different various workshops, worked with different actors, did
Right.
as many auditions. Matlab, I just put more and more energy towards it till I got my first gig with Vikram Bhatt for the web show. And yeah, I mean, उसके बाद फिर TV मिल गया, you know. So again, I think you learn a lot more on the job as well. But it was a pretty smooth, but maybe a delayed transition for me.
Right. Okay, I want to ask you. Obviously, like once you came out to TV and then Sanjeevni and a lot of things happened. How does it feel like to have so many fans, especially female fan following? And can you think of like this one experience where you're like, अच्छा, now people are starting to recognize me? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि like when you went out to a mall or somewhere that you went?
So I'm like blown away with. I mean, I say this every time, and I really appreciate the amount of love these everybody has shown throughout my journey. Even
Right.
while I was doing my first TV show, उसके बाद संजीवनी के time बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. So it's what everybody works towards, like no matter how much ever hard time you're having on the set because of your long hours and hecticness,
Right.
the fans have the power to lift you up, and their messages kind of make you really charged up. I mean, it happened to me so many times. I mean, they do things that you cannot even imagine. I mean, of course, सबकी अपनी कहानी होगी, people who are famous. But for me, it was all new. It is still very new, and unfortunately, I haven't had too many of those fan experience outdoors. But definitely, people have recognized me, whether while driving the car or like. मॉल में भी देखा है, लोगों ने पहचाना है कई बार, बट मेरे को इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिली अभी तक टू बी आउट बिकॉज आई बिन काइंड ऑफ बिजी बैक टू बैक एंड देन द
Yeah, back to
लॉकडाउन.
back being shooting, so then not too
Yeah,
much of a.
and now I don't think I'm getting that opportunity also because now everybody will be wearing masks. So unless you
Yeah.
recognize me through my eyes,
No, I'm sure your fans will recognize you with your eyes also because they
huh?
love you so much. There are so
No,
many of them. So
my
I'm
fans will
sure.
definitely recognize, but the people who usually are like, हमने आपको कहीं देखा है. So those guys will definitely not because it will be half covered. They'll be like, नहीं देखा, नहीं देखा.
Right, right. That's amazing. Okay, Namit, I want to play a game with you. If
Sure.
you, I mean, obviously, this is played on Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It's like the word association game that Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Anjali plays with Rahul in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So I'm going to say words and you say the first thing that comes into your head. Yeah? Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool? Ready? Okay. Best friend.
What?
Best
Best
friend.
friend.
Yeah.
Don.
Okay.
No,
Rain.
है मेरा दोस्त का नाम है Don.
Dawn. I was
Yeah,
like,
it's
Dawn?
Donny.
Daru?
No, no.
Okay. Rain.
Amazing.
Okay. TV.
Series.
Okay. Love.
आजकल.
Good one. Good. Acting.
Jobs.
Okay. Drink.
Water.
Water. Okay. Stay hydrated, guys.
Yeah.
PSA is moving. Okay. Dance.
Dance,
Hmm.
exercise. I mean,
Okay.
teach me, teach
Fashion.
me.
Fashion.
Police,
Hmm. Fitness.
consistency.
Okay. And finally, food.
Oh, oh, hungry.
Oh,
Food तो सबसे
amazing.
पहले आना चाहिए. Then we
Yeah,
do
food
everything else.
फाइनली नहीं सबसे पहले फूड ही होना चाहिए मोस्ट
Yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट राइट ओके सो देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चंस yeah there's one question for you saying like how does it feel to be back home with family, are you helping your mom out?
Yeah, I'm helping. I'm helping her finish all the food at home.
Cleaning the fridges start.
नहीं बट अभी तक नहीं जरूरत पड़ी है टच वुड फॉर्चुनेटली बट जरूरत पड़ेगी तो आई एम आल्सो एक्सपर्ट नाउ आई कैन डू कटिंग आई कैन डू सब कुछ भुनना तड़का लगाना
Yeah, you're so
उबालना
I all of us saw your Instagram post where you were helping your mom with cutting vegetables and everything, which
या
is why I guess I'm asking you.
नो आई नो सो थोड़ा बहुत या बट नॉट ऑन लाइक हाउ आई वाज इन बॉम्बे वहाँ तो हैंड्स
Right.
ऑन आई वाज इन चार्ज
Right, right. You were the soul in charge of the house, so yeah. Okay, have you been watching any movies or shows that you really, really loved during this
I
time?
saw I mean I hadn't been for a pretty decent, I mean, pretty long time. But last couple of days, I saw The Last Dance on Netflix, and I was blown away. It's Michael Jordan's biography or whatever you want to call it, but it's actual footage from 1984 till he finally retired in 98. And the best thing about that was that he was a rookie and he was, picked up when he was in college or probably high school or something. And the game where he actually changed the course of his life happened to be on the 29th of October, 1984, the day I was born.
Oh,
So I was like, "अरे वाह, ये तो मजे में."
quite a coincidence.
Yeah, yeah, but it was really, really nice. I mean, I really loved. I mean, I ended up finishing it. I watched it till like 4 or 4:30 in the morning on the first day, and
Right,
then the second day because I just couldn't stop watching it. It was so
right.
entertaining. I mean, for me,
That's amazing. Okay, there are so many people asking me. I have to ask you this. There, I've been bombarded. Why did Sanjeevani end so soon? Will there be a next season, season three? We are missing you on screen a lot.
well, thank you so much for that. But these things are really not in any of the actors' hand. And
Yeah.
अगर बनेगा तो again, you never know. I have no. I mean, I can't say anything for sure right now,
Yeah.
especially after this pandemic. But I'm sure there will be other projects. So
Yeah.
just be
You see
patient
him
a
on
little
screen,
longer.
Nandan. Whether it's his own website, whether it's web
Yeah,
series, show, you will see him for sure. He's not going
done.
anywhere. So
नहीं
good,
होगा
guys.
तो मैं अपना कुछ अच्छा सा वीडियो बना के I'll send it. You watch it
Yes.
on big screen.
Now you're on TikTok also, guys. So if you're not following him on TikTok, go follow him on
Yeah,
TikTok.
follow me, but I'm not very okay. I'm going to try and attempt to make some more videos. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
man,
for sure.
I can't compete with the TikTokers. There are some professionals out there.
I don't think
They're-
anybody can compete, but then इधर like सब कर रहे हैं TikTok पे because
हाँ,
everyone's free. So yeah, that's amazing. So I want to play another game with you before I let you go. It's a
okay.
would you rather. Okay, it's a very serious would you rather, which you have to think a
Would you
lot
rather?
about.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Would I
Yeah.
rather?
Okay. Okay, would you rather always be 10 minutes late or 20 minutes early?
Rather be early for 20 minutes.
Okay.
मतलब मैं टाइम पे पहुंचता हूँ यूजुअली पर
Huh.
अगर ऑप्शन है तो जल्दी आ जाऊंगा.
Amazing. Okay. Would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never ever have to pay for food ever again?
That's a tough one. It's a good question.
Yeah.
I'll get unlimited first class tickets, international everywhere. Khana to I can afford anyway.
Yeah. That's good. That's good one. Good one. Okay. Would you rather be forced to dance every time you heard music or be forced to sing along with any song that you heard?
Forced to sing along.
Forced to sing along. Okay. Not a fan of
Better
dancing,
bets.
actually.
Better bet, yeah. ये अगर पैसा लगाना है तो मैं गाने पे लगाऊंगा ना.
Right, right. Okay. Would you rather live on a beach or in a cabin in the woods?
On a beach.
Beach. Khuli hawa and all that. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and the sea. I can go and swim every day.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. Would you live in the past or live in the future?
I want to stay now here. Past में क्या करूँगा मैं? Future में भी. Okay, if I don't want to go back to my past, if I had past or future, then I would go to future.
Right. Okay. Would you rather lose the ability to lie or believe everything you're told?
Lose the ability to lie.
Right. Be honest. That's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you rather speak all languages or be able to speak to all animals?
It's a tough one. I think I'll go for the animals. For sure.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay. Final
Special
one.
skill हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ, special skill. Animal whisperer.
Yeah. As
National
opposed
Geography.
as opposed to a French translator.
Right, right. Good one, good one. Okay. Would you rather live without the internet or live without AC or heating wherever you are?
Where are you getting these questions? I like them.
Tough
Uh,
one.
I guess I'll take the AC.
Survival के लिए.
बहुत गर्मी लगती है. When it's really hot, I think I want the AC. I mean,
That's true. Aced it like a boss. So that was a final question, and
yeah.
I can't ignore it. And it was so many questions. Have you sang it before? Everyone's asking you to sing Bahara.
No, yeah, I don't know how to sing, yeah. Honestly, but I've actually been out of practice. I was practicing singing also when I was in Bombay, by the way. But
Right.
फिर वो अभी रह गया है. तो बहुत दिन से किया नहीं है, So it just kind of feels awkward. But I can. I mean, if I have to, I will. Guys, please spare me today. Another day for sure. I will actually make one video for you guys and I'll post it so you can see me
So
sing.
he's promised it here. So now he'll have to
हाँ.
make it, guys.
I will.
So
I will. Promise.
don't worry. You will get it. Okay. Someone's asking Delhi or Mumbai. अरे वाह यार मतलब
So that, I mean, there's Janmabhoomi or Karmabhoomi. You can't really,
choose.
I mean, yeah, for now I'm in Bombay and I prefer to be in Bombay because that's
Right.
where everything is. But घर है यहाँ पे, family है, so art is here. I mean, yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Namit, for chatting with us. This was
Thank
so
you,
much
Pallavi.
fun. Thank you
Yes,
so much. We can't
absolutely.
wait to see more of your TikToks, obviously your website, and whenever you
Yeah,
come back on screen.
for
So
sure.
thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you're staying home and staying safe, and all the positivity and good wishes to your family also.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Pallavi. Really, really nice talking to you. And
Thank
you have a great evening and hope to see you
Thank you.
soon.
You too. Bye. Take care.
Bye, everyone. See you. Thank you for joining.
Yes, thank you guys for joining in. So make sure you guys pester him for the singing video.
I will. Give me requests. Send me requests.
Yes, send your singing all the song requests, and Namit will put on a whole video.
Done. Okay, cool.
Thank you, Namit. Thank
Chalo.
you.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.